watching no videos.
Too bad.
Oh my god. What is he doing?
He's just. He's just like, oh, I'm so chill and relaxed. This is awesome.
This sucks. Hello.
Tyler looks like she's having a time. It's more of Curly. He's having the time of his life.
I think he is. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay.
Do you need some help?
Just a little bit there. Oh my gosh.
Hey, come here. Nope, nope, nope.
He said
Come here.
no.
Ah!
Okay. It's not funny.
Then why are you laughing?
Because it's funny. What are you doing, man? Okay. Okay. Don't go as fast you on me again.
It's okay.
Do not attack my ears. Stop slapping me with your tail! First it was the face and now it's the boob. Okay. Down, down. Down!
Hey.
Freedom!
Yes.